Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a review on this collection right here, and this is by Olens. These are their Vivi Ring collection. So it comes in two different colors, Vivi Ring Grey and Vivi Ring Brown. For the price of this, it is $29 per box, but you do get like buy one free one, so I think it's a great deal. And it comes in two different contact lenses inside, so a pair of contact lens. But if you have eye power like me where it's different, obviously it will last you for 2 months rather than 1 month. So yeah, I have both of the colors here to review, and the diameter for this one is very similar to the Island collection, which is actually quite popular at the moment, and you guys seem to really enjoy that on my channel. If you guys haven't watched it, I'll put it up here for you guys to check it out. So the total diameter for this Vivi Ring lenses is 14mm, and the graphic diameter is 13mm, so it is leaning towards the smaller side of contact lens, which is really great. Now the Island one, it is slightly smaller by 0.1mm for the graphic diameter, so if you were to put a comparison between two of it, the Island one will look slightly smaller than this Vivi Ring, which I'll show you guys a review, like a comparison really quick soon. But for this one, I personally feel like it is really natural and it doesn't really enlarge my eyes too much. I am wearing the Vivi Ring right now at the moment. Now in regards of the design, the way they describe it is supposed to be natural but also give you like a fairy like eye look as well, which I thought was really cute. When I first put it on, for me it felt more like a dolly eye look rather than a fairy eye look. I mean, either way it looks really cute and I really like it, even though it doesn't really lean toward like the natural side, because it does show you that really bold outline. But to be honest, I actually really like it a lot, because the bold outline is not like a obvious, you know, like black line, but you can see that how the way they design it, it all looks very dotted and very blur, so that when you actually put it on your eyes, it looks very subtle and very natural as well. Let's talk about Vivi Ring Grey first, since I have it on. Now with this one, obviously you have that really dark outline but also quite blur looking, which means that it doesn't look as obvious on the eyes unless like someone look at you really close up and they can see like there's a ring on your eye. But I like this outline because it sort of enlarged my eyes but not too obvious, so it looks like I have like big eyes, but you know what I mean. And then once it goes in, you have that grey color. When you look at it close up without wearing it and in the contact lens box or the packaging itself, you can see that it only has like a hint of grey. There's actually not a lot of grey in it, but when you put it on, it actually covers up your eyes really nicely, which I thought was really great and really nice and subtle looking. So for me, when I actually put this on, this reminds me all look like a really nice dark grey but also a very light hint of blue for some reason. I personally really like this a lot, and this really remind me of the contact lens I tried, which is the Olens Chandelier Grey. With the Olens Chandelier Grey, it's much more of like a flower pattern, and it's definitely way larger than this particular Vivi Ring. So if I would have to choose which one I would like more, I would definitely like this Vivi Ring Grey more, just because it looks much more natural but also enlarge my eyes at the same time. Can you guys tell I like to enlarge my eyes? But yeah, so this is the grey. Next is the Vivi Ring Brown, and I have to tell you, like, I actually really like the Vivi Ring Brown a lot, because it really reminds me of like my teenage years where I first started exploring circle contact lens, and I would always wear a contact lens with like this really dark black outline. I will try and find a picture and show you guys here. For me, I felt like this Vivi Ring Brown is much more of a toned down, natural looking contact lens compared to that one, and I would definitely choose this Vivi Ring Brown anytime now. Like, it is much more natural, it is much more dolly looking. I just love it so much. I couldn't help staring at my eyes non-stop when I wore that brown, because I was like, wow, this is such a beautiful brown color on my eyes. I just felt like suddenly my eyes just looks much more dolly looking and much more girly, and like everything just looks so nice on my eyes suddenly, you know. But I really like this brown color a lot. It is definitely a medium brown but also a little hint of like golden brown as well. It just looks very beautiful. So if I would have to choose one, I would definitely choose the Vivi Ring Brown over the Vivi Ring Grey. So surprisingly. Usually I would choose the grey color in every collection, but this time round I would definitely say Vivi Ring Brown is my number 1 and Vivi Ring Grey is obviously my number 2. Overall, I really do enjoy both of these contact lenses. I find them very comforting, very natural, very beautiful, and also help enlarge your eyes a lot. I don't know how many times I've said enlarge in this video, but you can tell that this is such a beautiful contact lens, and it's very like, it's just a casual day-to-day contact lens basically. Like, I would wear this every day if I have to, like if I want to. So yeah, that's how much I like it. And I feel like with Olens, the more I review Olens contact lens, I am struggling to film like a top 10 because every single contact lens I've reviewed so far has been really positive. So but I am planning on doing like an Olens collection once I stop getting all the Olens contact lens, because I really want to do like a good decent amount of video to show you guys all my contact lens that I got from Olens. So yeah, stay tuned for that and be patient for that. So let me know if you guys have tried the Vivi Ring, or if you guys are interested in trying this, because I would like to know your thought. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.